All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and today we have a new watch alert, a new Citizen watch. This one I picked up from a seller on eBay, and I picked this up for a very specific reason. So, number one, I don't have a Citizen watch currently in my collection. I've sold off the Citizen watches that I do have. But another reason is because of the price. So I haven't been buying things on eBay for quite a while. I recently bought some 76 antenna balls. For you older folks out there, you're going to know what a 76 antenna ball is. And for my vehicle, it's something my dad always had traditionally, and they're getting really hard to find, but I found a couple on eBay. So I picked up some 76 antenna balls. So in the process of doing that, I started getting more emails from Citizen, and a seller showed up and some Citizen prices popped up in my feed, and I was like, you got to be kidding me. That's a really good price for that product. So I went ahead and picked this watch up. And I will tell you that this watch was $212 plus shipping. It came out to around $228, $230 with tax and everything like that. Maybe a little bit more than that. But the retail price on this watch, Citizen, is $390 new, and this is what they're calling a Citizen refurbished watch. So I'm going to slow down for just one second. I want to show you this also. Now, thank you for your purchase. Your Citizen watch is working. Now, if you notice in thumbnail, I said, thanks for returning your watch. It was a great deal for me, or whatever is in there. But basically what happens a lot of times when people buy watches, they're not always watch freaks like you and me. That's me and you and whoever else. But so people buy watches and they're like, hey, I just want to get a watch that works. Maybe people buy a regular quartz watch like this MWC field watch I'm wearing here that works like normal. But maybe you buy an Eco Drive, or maybe you buy an automatic watch and you're not really quite sure. Well, if an Eco Drive watch, if you're not sure, that's driven by the sun. So if that watch has been sitting in the box for a while in a warehouse or something, it may have stopped working because the charge stopped working. Again, you just need to charge that watch up. It gives you charging instructions on how to do that here with an incandescent light. Now, if you buy an automatic watch like I bought here, a lot of times people have problems with those because they just don't understand the way an automatic watch works. Now, if you understand a mechanical watch, you have to wind that watch to make it work, right? Okay, well, with an automatic watch, and they have a big automatic here on the side of this, probably because letting people know that. Now, if you have an automatic watch, it's the same as a mechanical watch. It has to be round, but it has, or wound, excuse me, but it has a rotor in here that spins around and it winds that watch for you. So if you get a watch like this, first thing you need to do is shake the watch up and get the watch running and make it run. A lot of watches, probably like this Citizen here, also are hacking and hand windable, meaning that if you unscrew this crown here in the first position, you can usually wind it, but this is an 8200 series, so it does have hackability. It is hand winding here. So in this first position, you can actually wind the watch. Pulling the crown all the way out stops it. So hand winding and stuff. But if you lead a sedentary life, you're not moving a lot, on that automatic movement, if you sit around, or let's say you sleep at night, you get up in the morning, you walk around a little bit, go to work, sit at a desk all day, barely move around, come home, you may not have a great running watch with this automatic. So anyways, let's get into this new watch that I picked up here. This is the Fugu, meaning pufferfish, from Citizen Watches. The 44 millimeter case on this watch is absolutely stunning. Got this watch for $212 plus tax and shipping. And I think what we have here is probably a watch that was returned by someone that wasn't quite sure how to use it. The watch looks brand new. And I'll peel this case back, or the sticker off the case back. You can see that pufferfish there on the case back. Now, quick unboxing. I like this one. There's a full lume dial. Here in a minute, I'll show you guys the full lume on that. But really stunning piece with this PVD coated click case and everything like that. Now, to get that good price, you guys will notice right off, it doesn't come in any fancy boxing. It comes in just a black box, which is fine by me. I don't need any more boxes in my life. But other than that, this watch looks pretty much untouched, unused, or anything like that. So let me grab my my caliper here really quickly so we can get more specs on this watch. Give me 1 second. All right, so firing up the caliper here, you guys can see it zeroed out. And let's go ahead and get that case side to side. We have 44 as we were told in the specs itself. Lug tip to lug tip on this one, we are looking at about 49, so staying under that 50 millimeters. And then top of the crystal to the back of the case. Back is 12.7. I'll probably need to follow up with a full review on this watch. I'm not sure if this is a sapphire crystal or not. I think it is, but what I really liked about this watch was this black and blue combination. So you've got this blue band here. You've got this dark blue bezel here, as you can see as I tilt it that way. On that insert, and then the black PVD coating around it. And then with this full lume dial, they go ahead and black out these indices here, which give you that really cool glow there. So here's your hang tag. This watch does come from this seller at eBay with a 2-year citizen warranty on it. So you're going to get a warranty on the watch just like you would if you were buying it brand new. So I think that's great. So again, I think what you're getting is here watches that maybe are getting purchased by non-watch people that don't really get them. They're returning them thinking there's some kind of an issue wrong with the watch, and there really isn't. There's nothing wrong with the watch. It's just, ignorance, or not really knowing what you're picking up before you buy it. So let's go ahead and pause it for a second, throw this one on my 7-inch wrist to see what this looks like, and then we'll go out with a lume shot on this. So here's the watch on my 7-inch wrist, and we got it out in the sunlight to kind of show you a little bit more of the colors. And this is running the Miyota 8204, which is going to be basically just a hacking version of the original 8203. I'm not sure if Citizen is actually making this movement anymore, but good movement. So now that we've had it in the sunlight, let's check out the lume. All right, so there's the full lume dial, and it's really impressive on this watch, and you can see kind of that really cool pattern in the dial, that pufferfish pattern. So really great looking timepiece. All the information for this eBay seller is down below in the description if you guys are interested. They have lots and lots of different Citizen watches to choose from, all in the refurbished category, but I think a lot of these watches are just brand new and returned because people didn't know how they worked. So, all right, guys, you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.